The automatic stencil printer is a critical device in SMT lines. Designed for high-precision solder paste or adhesive printing, equipped with advanced vision alignment, it ensures accurate paste deposition on PCB pads. Features like auto-cleaning and pressure adjustment minimize human error, boosting productivity for high-volume, high-density PCB manufacturing. The fully vision-based pick-and-place machine uses high-resolution cameras to achieve precise component placement, handling parts from 01005 to large assays. With multi-axis control and smart algorithms, it delivers high speed, for example, 60,000 CPH and ultra-accuracy 25 micrometers, compatible with old-form components and featuring auto-calibration and fault detection. It maximizes yield and suits flexible production needs. The automated SPI system employs 3D laser scanning to inspect solder paste thickness, volume, and shape in real-time 1 micrometer accuracy. The automated reflow soldering machine features multi-zone temperature control 1 degree centigrade variance for even heating in oxygen-free environments, nitrogen-capable and compatible with lead-free lead processes. It adjusts speed and cooling to ensure consistent soldering. AOI uses high-resolution cameras and AI algorithms to quickly detect soldering defects, for example, faults, misalignment, shorts, improving yield and reducing manual rechecking, ideal for high-speed SMT lines. The fat tester compares CAD data with actual PCBs to verify the first piece meets design specs, preventing batch errors. The BGA reward station precisely heats and replaces BGA chips with air or hot air control. X-ray inspects hidden soldering defects, for example, BGA voids, while the component counter automates inventory checks, improving QC and warehouse efficiency. Eco-friendly lead-free wave soldering with precise temperature control for through-hole components, featured anti-oxidation design and automatic spray system for high reliability soldering. Online PCBA plug-in optical inspection equipment detects polarity in welding in real time to improve yield. Offline selective wave soldering machine precise soldering for targeted joints, protecting heat-sensitive components. Ideal for low-volume, high-precision PCBA production. UV laser marking machine uses UV cold laser for high-precision permanent marking on PCBs components. No thermal damage, supports QR codes, serial numbers, etc. The smart storage rack system utilizes RFID barcode auto-identification for precise SMT material sorting, fast retrieval, and real-time inventory tracking. With auto-replenishment alerts, it saves space and boosts storage efficiency by 30%. On the SMT production line, every employee works with utmost dedication. Operators attentively monitor equipment, engineers meticulously adjust parameters, and QC staff carefully inspect every solder joint.